I invite you to just get comfortable and get quiet right where you are, to take a few deep breaths and relax, to allow yourself the fullness of this moment, the fullness of this time, to draw your energy from what it may have been engaging in and say, come home, come to me, here I am. So right where you are, just take a few deep breaths. There is one power and one presence. God, the good omnipotence. This love that is God love flows like the living waters. It flows through all of life as vitality, as love, as pure presence. Right where I am saturated in this love, in this life. It is never in absence. So I bring my full being into the remembrance of this truth in this now moment. Inhaling love, outhailing love. Inhaling love, outhailing love. Knowing that there is no place love is not. It is on the inside. It is on the outside. And so we breathe deeply into this truth, allowing ourselves to be fully nourished in this moment, remembering that this nourishment is always available, always accessible. Breathing into this truth, we rest in the silence. So we take a deep breath and bring our attention back to this moment. And so it is.